心，因为努力生活，和你们分享荣耀的那一秒钟。如果难过，你肩膀最辽阔，你帮我带走乌云漫布的天空。如果生活少了有你陪我，我整天开着手机也感到失落，因为我们都最想看到彼此灿烂的笑容。我懂星座，却没有人像我，真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握，我们交换的美梦，只想听你说。我懂星座，却没有人像我，真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握，我们交换的美梦，我只想听你说。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握，我们交换的美梦，只想听你说。我只想听你说，听你说。我很开心，因为努力生活，和你们分享荣耀的那一秒钟。如果难过，你肩膀最辽阔，你帮我带走乌云漫布的天空。如果生活少了有你陪我，我整天开着手机也感到失落，因为我们都最想看到彼此灿烂的笑容。我懂星座，却没有人像我，真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说， 懂星座，却没有人像我真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友。那日出日落，因为有梦，所以跟认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握我们交换的美梦。我只想听你说。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握我们交换的美梦。只想听你说，我只想听你说，听你说。我很开心，因为努力生活，和你们分享荣耀的那1秒钟。如果难过，你肩膀最辽阔，你帮我带走乌云漫布的天空。如果生活少了有你陪我，我整天开着手机也感到失落，因为我们都最想看到彼此灿烂的笑容。我懂星座，却没有人像我真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握我们交换的美梦。只想听你说。我懂星座，却没有人像我真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友， 分享荣耀的那一秒钟。如果难过，你肩膀最辽阔，你帮我带走乌云漫布的天空。如果生活少了有你陪我，我整天开着手机也感到失落，因为我们都最想看到彼此灿烂的笑容。我懂星座，却没有人像我，真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握，我们交换的美梦，只想听你说。我懂星座，却没有人像我，真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握，我们交换的美梦，我只想听你说。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们同时拥有一个真心的朋友，聊日出日落，因为有梦，所以更认真生活。听你说，听你说，我们真是拥有一片美好的天空，不能常联络，却更紧握，我们交换的美梦，只想听你说。我只想听你说，听你说。
Hello. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? So I guess you can hear me now. So our live diagnosis will start soon. Thanks for your watching. Thanks for your Okay, so hi, Miss Wan and Diaries, and also has Sia here. Okay, Sia here. Phoebe, okay, Pearlia. Hi, Jess, Charlie. So thanks thanks to watching my live. So this is MG from Homely Chat. Okay, hi. Okay, Charlie and share. Okay. So it's around 1:10 already. from the feedback of last week, so our investors and also include members want the more shares diagnosis, because first thing in our member class we only have a short time to diagnose your share. So have a little bit change in my life. I will put around at least half of the time to diagnose shares for you, because before I also want to do some sharing for the current market or some shares related news. So from today on, I will try to how to say combine together. So means that basically diagnosis your share. Okay, basically focus on diagnosis your share, and later on if we have more time, then I can do more sharing on other sites. Okay. Maggie's clock is slow. What do you mean, Miss Wang? Yeah, and I find that seems every time cannot diagnose all the shares of you. So that's why we'll put more time. So if it's the first time to watch my live, okay, here is the way. How can diagnose your share here? So every trading day around 1:10 to 2 p.m. Okay, trading day, we have this live stock diagnosis in US and the Malaysia shares. And here's the way. Okay, here is the way how you can diagnose your share. Excuse me. So you can just share your code number. Okay, just share your code number and the entry price and your investment period. Okay, and your investment period to this to the number WhatsApp number 011-1652-7962. Okay, send your share code number and entry price and investment period to 011-1652-7962. No matter US shares and Malaysia shares both can. Yeah, we can see Lee Wan. Okay, Lee Wan is coming. And yeah, to make sure all your tasks can be checked, can be diagnosed, because the lifetime is kind of limited. Okay, so limited. So that's why if you send to WhatsApp, then after the live, I still can send you the chart. And if I have more time, I can also do some communications about the share. So no problem. And before we go start diagnosis today, here is the disclaimer. So this video, this live is purely for study and discussion. So any direct or indirect loss or suffer by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. And we can take a look today, their chart. Okay. So the whole chart of KLCI today is open low and a little bit rally in around 9 o'clock, 9:30 o'clock. But later on, it drop back again. Okay, drop back again. And we can also see it basically driven down by which sector? If you can see, maybe I open the platform for you so that you can see it clearly. We can see here. Okay, excuse me. Oh, sorry, I cannot log in now. No problem. So I will read this one for you. Today, basically driven by the healthcare. Okay, healthcare and a little bit down. Okay, a little bit down by the energy, slightly down, financial, construction, and industrial. Okay, industrial. So basically, slightly down today, the KLCI. So we can open the chart. Okay, open the chart first. You can see the KLCI chart. It's still in this sideway area. Before we have been diagnosed for a few times already of this KLCI. This KLCI, I will show you here. Recording on this video. Okay, so it's still in big, yeah, still within this big, okay, within this big box area, sideway area, right? Today open price is 1578 157, so it's still in this area. And we can see in short term, a better still can standing above the big young candle. Okay, I will draw a box or another time. So around here, okay. Around here. And also, but their support, okay, the support of their short term, we can make it bigger. And here, half price of this big young candle is around 1569. 1569. So today, the lowest price is 1570, okay? Still standing above this short-term support price. So still be okay, right? Still okay. Even today is kind of open high and later on it drop back. Open low and then go rally and then drop again. But still standing above this one. Short-term, no big problem. And before we have joined another channel, okay, another short-term channel, I can still draw for you here. You can just draw this channel, the small channel. And the good things for short-term, you can see their price trying to break out, but now it's still in sideways because this channel will give resistance for the price, right? For the price. So at the same time, the profitable effect here, if you're the first time to watch my video, so you can see, if you're the first time to watch my video, so here is the way. Excuse me. I want to. Excuse me. I want to. Okay. Okay, so here is the way, right? The profitable effect. Profitable effect is kind of well, it's kind of slightly down here. Now is 36%. So even short term have slightly rebounded here, but you can see the funds haven't followed up here. Okay, if you're the first time to listen my video, this is very important for you to take for reference. As you can see, the price increase is the really one, the real increase or just a faked one. So far, here this price a little bit deviation, divergence, because the funds haven't followed up. So even in KLCI, you still, okay, workable, okay, still workable here. Okay, so we can combine your shares. Before we go there, we can also take a look about the Dow Jones. This is the Dow Jones. I think this box, okay, excuse me. So we can see Dow Jones, this box, okay, if you are the first time listen my video, so I can show you, here is the overbought signal before on August 10. So you can see all the prices standing above this one, even one day. So even one day here on August 20th, I drop back here, but later on it gets support. So you see that the US is still very strong, the US market. And also the profitable effect here also very, very important. It's keep increasing. Another time, we need to, okay, I can show you the picture if you still not very well about this picture. Here is the introduction of this chips. 3 different chips describe their different capital, okay, different capital. The red one is the institutional investors. We call it bankers, but in the index, we can consider it as the profitable effect of the whole market. And then the yellow chips is the hot money, the speculator, okay, speculator. If the whole market is all yellow chips one, you know that it's kind of a short-term, medium short-term chance, because people do fast, trading fast in the market. No big funds to push up, okay? And then the green one, green retailer, okay, means people who lose money, basically it represents the retailer, okay, represents the retailer. So in this chart, you know that the Dow Jones profitable effect also increase. And if you take a look about the Nasdaq, it's still also very strong, standing above the whole box, right? This day it's overbought. Later on, right, it break up again. So when the price break up the box here, the first time for short term to entry, the second time to add your portion, even have slightly correction, but still standing above the box with the profitable effect increase. Very good one. Okay, very good one. So now let me check your comments now. You have two ways. Okay, you have two ways can access your share. The first thing, during the live, you can just put your share code number, entry price, and investment periods to the comment. But after the live, you can send to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. Okay, let me check your shares now. We have, yeah, we have Charlie. Okay, so better put the right form. I will prefer to choose the right form one, right form to diagnosis first. Hello, Mr. Pang, Pang, Miss Wan. Have you studied chords this past time that we are hearing music? I think now you didn't hear the music, right? Because I already turned off the video already. Okay, remember to put the right form. Remember to put the right form. Share code number, entry price, and investment period. Okay, investment period. So it's very important for you. Otherwise, I cannot. Oh, so many. Excuse me. Okay, no problem. We'll take a look. Okay, 5576. Okay, 5576. 5576. Ming Ho. Ming Ho. But lack of your information here, so trying to take a look here about this whole share. The Ming Ho is kind of if we check the long term, okay, long term. Okay, I share you the method, okay, how to diagnose your share, which is very important. Make sure you have a good principle. Here is a good principle for you to for reference. Okay, for reference. You can see here, index first, stock next. When you trade your shares, make sure you know the whole index of the market first. For example, if you trade Malaysia shares, check the KLCI always, and also know which sector is strong. Is very important for you. And then the longer term first, short term next. If you diagnose one share, make sure you know the whole history chart of this share. Just make sure you will not entry high, right? Entry high with a strong resistance, and you know it's a safe share. What is the safe share? Is safely in uptrend and also have bankers inside. Very important. So when we see this Ming Ho for longer term, actually should be no big problem because it's already not downtrend. Okay, already break up the downtrend line, and now is uptrend and a little bit correction, but it's just kind of for the still have a lot of retailers inside. So strategy better not so far, right? So long, okay, so long because still have strong resistance here. The price is 47. Current price is 36, right? 36. So we take a look about the daily chart. Daily chart, make sure the trend is okay. Make sure the trend is okay. So we can just call out the rainbow to check the trend. White line, the white lines is the boundary of the bull and the bear. So you can see from this day already break up the white line, but it's kind of so fast, right? It's kind of so fast. If you have a good method you can buy here. Okay, what is the good method you can buy? It means that you have a way tell you when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so you can just follow this trend expert. Okay, this is trend expert can tell you the short-term entry point and the sell point. Okay, so I will make it bigger. I will make it bigger. So you can see here, the red bar is short-term uptrend. Okay, short-term uptrend. When the green bar turns to red bar, you can consider to buy. And of course, if the red turn to green bar, you can consider to sell. Okay, consider to sell. But as we check the longer term, it's kind of still kind of in correction. So maybe your strategy is kind of a medium short term. So at this time, we can use hourly chart. Use hourly chart to find their lower entry point and the higher exit point. It's better for you. So we can take a look about this one. 5576. Okay, 5576. So we go to the hourly chart. So hourly chart so far, today is kind of trend okay, but you can see it's still red color means that of course you still can hold, but actually it's kind of unstable. It's kind of unstable. And one thing today the chart a little bit hang here. Okay, I will check for you here. Sorry, today the tick chart got problem. So I think got some problem here. This is 24th, 3 o'clock. Hold on. This share actually today have 14%, have 14% increase. Okay, 14% increase. But the chart here got problem. Okay, got some problem. So today, I guess in the mini chart, yes, have the buy point. I have the buy point. Yes, I just find out. Okay, already this tick chart got some problem. Our IT support, our IT department is trying to try to fix very soon. Very soon. Okay, we can choose some medium long-term shares to share to taxes here. But many of you do their short term. Okay, got problem about tick chart today. Okay, sorry about this inconvenience of the tick chart. I cannot show you today. Can only show you the end of day version 6874 from Lam-Bon Chin. Okay, Lam-Bon Chin. KUB, okay, we check a look about the daily chart for you. So this KUB is kind of a strong share because we can see these banker chips are still a lot here, right? Still a lot. The banker chips are around 72%. Before, if you do long term, but you right here, you do short term, so no problem because our live chart have some problem. Okay, so if here, for longer term, still okay. Bankers 72%, but still have some retailers. Means that it's not so safe. Okay, it's not so safe to enter. But if you do short term, you can also wait in this bar. Okay, you can see the bar turns from green to red. This is the good entry point in the daily chart. But you do short term, better use the hourly chart to find. But I can say that this is a strong share, okay? Strong share because the bank is 72%. If you can find the correction finish in the daily chart, then easier for you to entry. But I'm not meaning that if in the daily chart have the retailers, you cannot trade short term, just not so big, how to say, not so strong because bankers always push up the price again after shaking out all the retailers before they fly. So like here, you can see what is the good pattern. So you see here, when you fly again, you can see this day, the bankers are 78% and no retailers at all. So you can see from here till here, very good chance for you to fly with the bankers. From here today, here 13%, 13 days, you have 73%. You have 73%. It's quite strong one, right? It's quite strong. This is the one. So if the retailers also gone, it's better for you to fly again. So today have 7%, right? Today have 7%. Not bad. Short term also have chance. So you go to the hourly chart, have the buy point, have the buy point. But now I cannot show you the tick chart. Sorry for that. So okay, we take a look about the US shares from Wenyuto. US shares HLF. Highliner, right? Highliner. You also you do medium short term. Okay, we take a look about this chart from the technical side. From the technical side. So from the quarterly chart, and actually we know it's kind of what? It's kind of hold on. It's kind of this. So we just draw line here. So you see, in the longer chart, actually have resistance. Okay, HLF. So your strategy, you choose medium short term, actually not bad, right? It's not bad. And then when the price reach to this resistance, the price here is around 9.4, $9. Current price is $8, $8.2. Till here is $9.4. This is your profit space for medium short term. And then we go to daily chart, and we can see this quarterly chart. Quarterly chart means that one candle is 3 months, right? And we can see in the quarterly chart also banker chips are only 31%. So means that you still have a chance, but medium short term, no problem. Okay. And we can see the daily chart now. Daily chart, we can also use the rainbow to check the direction is safe or not. So you can see rainbow, we find the white lines here. White lines, at the August 13, August 13, you just break up the white line already. So it's kind of safe. At the same time, which is very important, the banker chips also follow up. So it's very important. So very important. And if you do medium long term, you can enter here. But if you do short term, you can enter earlier. You also follow this trend expert here. Trend expert, I will make it bigger. Maybe I put two window. I put two window for you. Trend expert. So you can see trend expert. You can enter earlier. Enter earlier. The first entry point actually is here for short term. For short term, even is below the chief line. The chief line, the major line. What do you call it? Major line, if it's purple color means medium long term is already uptrend. But if it's green color means it's still in downtrend for medium long term. But for short term, you go to check the bar. The red bar is the short term and the green bar is the short term downtrend. The red bar is short term uptrend. So your entry point, when every time the green turn to red is your entry point, right? Entry point. And then when the red turn to green is a sell point. So the first buy point for short term is here. Not means not because because here actually no bankers, but from the pattern analyze, we see higher low already. Higher low, we just draw a line here, is higher low already. So if short term, of course you can buy, right? You can buy. It's the first time the price is $5, $5.8. The second time you can add your portion for short term. When the price break up the chief line, you can buy. At the same time, you can see bankers the first day more than 60%. So it's obviously pushed up by the bankers here. So you can add a portion here. Short term, here is a sell point. You need to take a profit here. But if you go to mini chart, if you go to mini chart, we try to see if US have this mini chart. Hold on, I check for you. HLF is New York. New York security. So we can switch to New York one. And then we hold on for a while. HLF. So we go to the hourly chart. This is the hourly chart. We can also use the trend expert. So you can see trend expert last Friday is quite strong. Quite strong. You see the tick chart. This is a 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. But this bar is an hourly chart. So we can see here. Actually, the tick chart is very beautiful. Very beautiful. But finally, the share only 3.8%. Why? Because you see our hourly chart. Because you do medium short term. We check the medium short term. You can see hourly chart let you still can hold because it's red color, but no bankers to push up. So even the trend okay, but no big momentum. That's why only increase 3.8%. Okay. So this is different. Some of the shares also increase, but have a lot of bankers inside. Then you have a bigger chance, bigger profit capital gain, right? Bigger profit space. So this is the one. So far for medium short term is still red color, so you can hold from when? From when? From when you thought, okay, I'm not sure you are if you're a member or not. If you're a member, you can use this method, okay, to trade. Later on, if you do medium short term, actually, when the red, okay, turn to green, you can take a profit, okay, you can take a profit and later on have another chance, you can trade again. But basically, this share for medium long term, the whole trend okay, whole trend okay. And then, Aaron, you didn't put your terms here. It's Herbalife. Oh, okay. Herbalife. Sorry, Herbalife. Không bỏ lãi. Inventory không bỏ lãi ha. Healthcare one. Okay, so this is a strong share. Have another one, New Skin. New Skin in US also very strong, right? So this related one also, you see, during this pandemic one also very good trend. So for middle short term, you can do middle long term also no problem because it's kind of a strong share. If we go to the quarterly chart, it's quite strong. So middle short term, of course, you also have chance. And the bankers last Friday, 69% are quite strong, right? Quite strong. So far, the trend expert let you keep holding, right? Here is deep correction, but now it's still holding, no problem. So we take a look about this one in the hourly chart. Hourly chart. Okay, we go to hourly chart. This one. Oh, here is the right. Okay, here is the right. Here the mini chart is right. So I already done for you. Sorry for the one. Okay. So once again, please put your, if you want to balance the share, best way, you put your share code number and the enterprise and the investment period. Investment period means that you do short term or medium short term or long term like that. Then I can directly go to your investment period chart to diagnose in details. Excuse me for a while. So make sure you put the right form. Then I will diagnose for you in advance. Okay, so let's go on to check your comments here. And Facebook also have some friends to join now, but I cannot make sure if the result, the effective, the result is good or not. So I will choose the one. Okay, good. From Ronnie. But I am trying to diagnose for you in the daily chart first because the tick chart got problem today. So I check for you as 7315. Okay, it's quite strong share. AHB, right? 7315 from Ronnie. Short term. So the whole trend, no problem. So, but this share is quite fast, right? It's quite fast. So better use the, if you do short term, better use the 30-minute chart or 15-minute chart. Okay, if it's very fast. And today keep increasing, right? Today keep increasing. Let me check if the tick chart is okay already or now. Okay, I'll check for you. Hope, but I'm not so sure. Still haven't. Okay, still haven't. So we go to take a look about the chart. Today have 9.6. Today have 9% increase. Now the price is 285. 285 is around here, okay? So from this daily chart, so far it's okay, but we take a look about the longer chart to see if have any strong resistance or not. So actually here have, okay, here have, this is a quarterly chart. So when we put the mouse in this previous high, the price here is 332. 32 cents. So far, current price is 28. You still have 5 cents profit space. So if we cannot break out 32 cents, make sure take your profit because you do short term, right? You do short term. But if you cannot get the right rhythm, because sometimes little bit around that area, better you use the homely hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart 60 minutes. So means hourly chart or 30 minutes both can. Both can, then you can take your profit in time. Your entry price is 28, is 28. So just now, maybe I guess you do intraday. If you do intraday, go to 1 minute chart. But because I cannot show you today, so sorry for that. And the next one, okay, Aaron is for short term. Which one? Whole Wagenina or which one? Because you put 2 shares here, Aaron. Okay, Alvin, my EG 0138. My EG, longer chart. Okay, this is a my EG monthly chart. Monthly chart have some resistance. Can you see? Have some resistance. And we can see if we draw a line, it's very important and convenient for us to draw the line. So a little bit resistant here. The bankers in this monthly chart is around 52%. So far it's safe. So when you see the resistance, lot means that the price will definitely drop, right? Have some possibilities. Just remind you, be careful here, okay? If, for example, you see here, I cannot break out, so sideways. So you know that maybe takes time to digest. Sometimes it's correction to digest the resistance. Sometimes it goes sideways, okay? And now we can see the daily chart. Daily chart, the banker chips are kind of decreasing. And we better use the rainbow to check the direction. Whole direction, no big problem. But for short term, because you do short term already, do short term, it's kind of a volatile recently because you can see the yellow chips is 65% more than banker chips. So the price, it didn't strongly pushing up, just sideways here. If it's sideways market, you need to, okay, your terms is short term, no problem, your strategy, but make sure you get the right rhythm, okay, means buy and sell point. You can use the 30 minute, I think hourly chart enough already for you. Hourly chart, you use the trend expert, because I know you're a member, Elvin, you go to the hourly chart, because I cannot show for you today, because the chart haven't fixed yet. So if hourly chart, it can green turn to red, you can hold, and later on, if it didn't break down the major lines, still no problem for you, okay? Okay, so Aaron, you come again, Oren, okay, ORION 0079. You do medium term, okay, you do medium term. This one, if you do medium term, okay, you just break up the white lines recently, okay, recently. Now go sideways, have around 35% bankers, okay, bankers. So the strategy is not suitable to put medium term because still have so many retailers inside. Short term you can try, but whole wide is different. Whole wide is strong shares. You can put for longer term. Sometimes strategy is different, right? But whole wide can even long term okay. When I say long term okay, because the bankers is 89%. Okay, the trend no problem, but there's no buy point for short term recently because it's in correction. You can wait also with the trend expert no problem. Wait when the green turn to red, you can consider to buy. When the red turn to green, when the green bar turns to red, you can consider to buy. And if you do short term, you use hourly chart or 30-minute chart, no problem. Okay, we take a look about here. In my WhatsApp, I also check for wires. Hold on. 9954 from Yvonne. 9954. RGB also strong share here, Yvonne, you see? RGB also very strong share, but I don't know your terms, your terms. So it means that you do short term. I guess you do short term, right? I guess you do short term. So you see the bankers is 91%. So the whole trend is okay. So if you do short term, you go to hourly chart, you can find the buy point and the sell point. If you medium long term, here, green turn to red is a buy point. Whole trend, no problem. Because I cannot show you the tick chart. So so far is to here. Okay. Simon Kong. Solution 0093. 0093. Also strong share. But we can also take a look about, it's kind of a volatile, Your entry price is 59. It's 59. So I guess you entry today, right? You entry today. Today this share is fly. It's fly. Before it fly, we have some conditions. You see, no retailers at all. You see, 4 days ago, low retailers, right? Low retailers. So this day gap up. So I guess you entry today. Now the price is 60 already. Very strong share. So I guess you do short term, right? You do short term. But it's a pity I cannot show you the chart here. But we can see slightly before, I think around here, right? Around here, it just got problems. Okay. So, but the whole trend, no problem, right? Whole trend, no problem. I think if you do food intraday, you use the 1 minute chart to find the entry point, exit point. And Siu Li, K1. So your entry price is 0.55, 0.55, maybe this day, right? 0.55 cents. So it's in sideway, but the problem of this share, the bankers is not enough. You see, the bankers in daily chart only 26%. Their hot money at the yellow chips is 42%. Means this share is mainly controlled by their volatile, by their speculator, and their retailer is 30%. Okay, 30%. Also more than the banker chips. That's why it's not so strong. So even today slightly down. Okay, before the bankers can push up again, you have a better chance. Otherwise, it just sideways in this area. You see, for longer time already. We better choose the share. Okay, more than 50%. Okay, more than 50%. The bankers more than 50% or 75% is more strong. Otherwise, you always be worried. Make sure you trade in the safe area. I choose the banker chips more than 75% last Friday. So you can check all these shares with the bankers more than 75%. Then you have bigger chance, right? Then you will have bigger chance. So many shares here, right? Many shares here. So you can just analysis them, right? Okay, so today, because of my my device problem, I cannot share you the tick chart, but our IT will fix soon. Our IT will fix soon. So sorry about that. And tomorrow we'll give you more complete diagnosis. Sorry for the inconvenience. And so I think today that's all for today. That's all for today. And if you want to check more shares, after our system is fixed, I will send you the picture. Okay, I will send you the picture so you can WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the investment periods to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. So make sure in this afternoon, after our system is fixed, I will send you the picture. Okay, so thanks for your watching and see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Here's the text is 9. No matter US share and the Malaysia shares, share your share code number, entry price, and the investment period to 011-1652-7962. Thanks for your watching. See you. And okay, that's all.
我很开心，因为努力生活，和你们分享荣耀的那1秒钟。如果难过，你肩膀最辽阔，你帮我带走乌云漫布的天空。如果生活少了有你陪我，我整天开着手机也感到失落，因为我们都最想看到彼此灿烂的笑容。我懂星座，却没有人像我，真的喜欢一个人安静的自由。我做的梦，我坚持做到最后，就算我爬到云端，也继续做梦。我唱的歌，只希望能快乐，其他的我也不想要想的太多，因为我们都最想拥有自己最真的感动。